So we have Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, McDonald's, Wingstop, KFC, or Burger King. Is he even recording me or my shoulder? What are we doing? Burger King. Would you want to see somebody eat a Burger King chicken sandwich? So we're going to Chick-fil-A right now to get the sandwich. Oh, hell no. Look how they spell my name.
No, that's Roland.
Motherfucker, who the fuck is Roland?
What can I get for you?
Speak in Spanish? Why are you talking, man? God damn it, Mom. Now we gotta do the whole thing over again.
Sorry, but you're talking to me.
It's not fun. What the hell was that? There's nothing funny that I just said. So what the people? So we have Chick-fil-A, Popeyes, McDonald's, Wingstop, KFC, or Burger King. Is he even recording me or my shoulder? Come on. What would the people want to see? What would the people want to see?
How the fuck would I know?
I don't know. Would you want to see somebody eat a fucking Burger King chicken sandwich? What are we doing? Oh. Would we want somebody to see a Burger King? Would you want to see somebody eat a Burger King chicken sandwich or a... Holy shit, what was the other one? Burger King or KFC? Or we can do KFC and Burger King. Burger King's probably what, like... That's just fake meat, bro. It's probably like 30 cents a burger. You ever remember like the SpongeBob chum bucket when they bit into it and it was like no, what the fuck are we talking about here, bro? When he bit into the burger and it was like clay in the middle. So we gotta also have a route. So what first is Chick-fil-A. So we're going to Chick-fil-A right now to get the sandwich. Ain't not gonna put no music on. What the hell we got going on?
I'm getting nervous. Bro, don't you have the GPS?
It doesn't tell me what lane to go on.
Every step we take,
Alright, we'll catch you when we go to Chick-fil-A.
Carry out.
Carry out.
Remote.
Remote. Can I just get a Chick-fil-A sandwich? Plain? Yeah. Is it for remote?
Yes.
Yeah, thank you. No butters, no pickles. Like, fuck, bro, I got a name.
Shut up.
No butters,
So mean.
Oh, hell no. Look how they spell my name.
No, that's Roland.
Motherfucker, who the fuck is Roland? Alright, $5.39 for that sandwich. Keep that in mind.
For Roland.
For Roland. That's lowering the... Nah, it's on the bag. Alright, next is Wingstop. I never had Wingstop. Like, never had the wings, never had the stop. But I'm about to have that.
Okay.
Well, Bob Pop. Catch you when we go back into Wingstop. We ordered online. There's two, Natalie's. Yeah. Next is McDonald's, then KFC, Popeyes, and then that's it. You feel me?
What can I get for you?
Speak in Spanish?
No.
Damn, bro, she said no, you're just not gonna serve me, bruh? Let me see who this is, bro.
You asked for it, bitch.
Welcome, Popeyes. How can I help you?
Can I get one chicken sandwich?
One chicken sandwich. Just a sandwich or a combo?
Just a sandwich, please.
Classic or spicy?
Classic with nothing on it.
Classic.
Yeah.
Anything else with nothing on it?
Yeah, no, yeah, nothing.
Anything else?
That'll be it.
Any dessert, strawberry biscuits, or?
Alright, 2 hours later.
Just wait. I'm just putting the last of them.
Why are you talking, man? God damn it, Mom. Now we gotta do the whole thing over again.
Sorry, I thought you were talking to me.
You're gonna pick something and then we're gonna give it to us. Once you give it to us, we're gonna eat it, and then me and her are gonna say on 3. You're gonna guess it 1, 2, 3, and then
Let's see what we think it is.
once we guess it and everything, then we just put it back. We open it up and see if we're right. Actually, no. I honestly do not know how we got so confused. So the rules of this video is we gonna be having a sandwich in front of us with our blindfolds on, and then we're gonna guess which sandwich it is from which store, and then we don't figure out until the end which ones we got right and which ones we got wrong. You feel what I'm saying? I just made it easier for you because we took like 20 minutes to figure it out, but you feel me? Let's get back into the video, y'all feel me? Let me know if it's in front of me. Okay, it's in front of me? Yep.
I have one? Are we doing the same one?
Oh, you got one in your hand?
No.
take it.
It's right here, bro. I don't even know which one this is. I can tell by the smell.
Oh.
I know by the smell which one it is.
Alright,
you guys think it's KFC? Do you think it's McDonald's? Wingspot?
Wingstop, there you go.
Wingstop? Chick-fil-A? Or Popeyes?
Alright, next one.
We're gonna go to the next one.
I really don't think I'm gonna get one wrong. I never had Wingstop, so I might get. No, I don't know. You got it? I'm good, bro. Oh, I'm not good.
I know what this is.
Hey, do you guys think it's KFC?
I know what it is. I'm not gonna lie, I would've got it wrong though if I didn't know what it was. I
You
know.
think it's Popeyes? Wingstop? McDonald's? Or Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, man. Damn, bro.
You cut this one.
Now you taking my side. This one good.
Do you guys think it's KFC? Do you think it's do you think it's McDonald's?
This one good, man.
Do you think it's Popeyes?
This shit right here.
Wingstop? Or Chick-fil-A?
This chicken sandwich is bang.
Alright, do you want to give it up? Put the chicken sandwich down?
No, I'm gonna finish it. I got it. What the hell is that? Oh, I have any idea. I'm sorry, man. This chicken sandwich is actually good.
Do you think that one is KFC?
I don't know what's that.
Do you think it's McDonald's? What about Popeyes? Wingstop? Or Chick-fil-A?
I'm not gonna lie, I lost count. How many did we do? 4?
Yep, yeah, one more.
No, we know which one this is because you gave us. You should give us the sandwiches. Yeah, I know which one it is. I got it wrong though. I don't know what the last one was.
It's Wingstop.
This one Wingstop.
So KFC?
What's it
It's
really?
Wingstop, man. You know what it is. I don't know how many we got wrong though.
Can I take it off?
Yeah.
I think I won.
You got one wrong.
Me?
We got the same
Both
one
of
wrong?
you, yeah. That's the
No,
one
you
guys
can't
said
only
was
have
really
one wrong.
good.
You have to have 2 wrong. Because if we picked one wrong, then there's another one that's wrong. Because if we got Chick-fil-A wrong, then there has to be another sandwich that's wrong.
Chick-fil-A was the one we did before this one.
Yeah.
You got that wrong. I got that right.
You don't know what I mean, do you? If
'Cause she's
one
saying
is
if
wrong,
one's
then there's
wrong.
another one that's wrong. Because if I said this is KFC, and then what did I say to KFC then? You can't only get one wrong.
You just gotta watch this back.
Yeah, you gotta watch it back then.
Look, here's
We're
the
gonna be
thing.
fine. Listen,
I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm kind of retarded.
Alright, so this is the end result. This shit gone. Alright, which one was the best one? Which one was the best one?
Wingstop.
I think Wingstop was the best one.
Their bread is really good.
KFC was the best one for me. That was actually good. What was the worst one?
McDonald's.
Think so?
The pickles taste?
Yeah, but like if it
overpowering.
didn't have pickles on it.
The bread is flat.
To be honest, I think they all taste the same, bro. That's a video. I'm about to do like chicken nuggets next. French fries. Damn, bro, why my camera lens so smudged up, bro?
Your belly button is so pink.
What's wrong with my belly? Oh my god.
It's so
Crusty.
Don't be look. Why are we talking
Something in
about?
there?
I don't know.
It looks crusty.
Should I smell it? All right, that's the end of the video. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and you feel me? That's it.